it came out. I am loving it. And yes, my hair is really long, and as you can see in the video, I did struggle because my hair is so long. But I mean, look at the amazing job it did. It is my first time using it, so I'm pretty sure with time I will get better and I will be a lot quicker. And oh my god, I love it so much. This was so quick. It did take me about 20 minutes. But again, my hair is long. And I also wanted to show you what I used for heat protectant, and I did use this. I got it in a giveaway from Caral. I will tag them below, and it's the Style Try Action. Let me know down below what you guys think.